Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala here. I'm SEBI certified research analyst. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. This video, I'm going to discuss about the candlesticks pattern. That is what we are going to discuss here. That is a continuation pattern. So previously we have seen a lot of candlesticks pattern. So that is what a reversal pattern. So here this after another we are going to see some four kind of candlesticks pattern that will help us a continuation with the same trend. If previous uh, candlesticks pattern what we are doing, so if market is going down and any kind of doji or a shooting star, a hammer like candle, we are expecting the reversal, right? Or if it is market moves higher and makes a doji or a shooting star, whatever it may be, that candlesticks we are expecting for the reversal candlesticks. Okay, that we have seen our previous videos. On this video we are going to make a continuation pattern. So the trend is going up, so it may be struggle somewhere and again the trend is going to continue. So how to find out the trend continuation? So that I am going to discuss in this video. So if you are a new, and even if it is if the stock is going downtrend, if it has forms a any pattern, so that will again the continuation of the trend. Okay, so previous videos we are discussing about reversal about the trend, and now we are going to discuss about the continuation of the trend. So this candlesticks pattern, so that help you so how the stock is continue its trend. So that I'm going to discuss here, and we are going to see somewhere some four kind of continuation pattern. That is what a separating line, kicking pattern, and one neck pattern and in neck pattern. So that four kind of, and even thrusting line, but that is also the thrusting line is not only the continuation pattern, so we can use for a reversal as well as continuation. So that is I'm not taking a in count. So meanwhile, so we are going to focus only four kind of candlesticks pattern. So the one separating line, kicking pattern, one neck pattern, in neck pattern. So we will discuss each one by one on different videos, and this video I am going to take as a separating line. So let's do that, how the separating line is looking good. So what should be the candlestick pattern? Okay, so let's say here, let's look at that. This is what exactly the bullish separating line, the bullish separating line candlesticks pattern that forms on the trending direction. The market is started moving higher. If kind of the candlesticks which is forms anywhere at the trend, that is uptrend, there is a clue where the market is going to continue its trend. Let's see, this is the exact pattern. The first day should be the red candle in uptrend, and the next day should be gap up, and it is open equal to somewhere around the previous day's open. So this kind of pattern will give you the clear confirmations about the trend. Most of the time this will not happen in intraday market, because the first candle red, the next candle should open above the previous candle high, open or high. So that mostly it is not happen on intraday. So it is what a positional kind of trade strategy. So we are going to find out the trend continuation. There is a one is separating line bullish and separating line bearish. So this video we are going to discuss about bullish separating line, how we can create a charting scanner to find out that kind of pattern where it is forms, then there should be a great opportunity where we are going to make money using the candlesticks pattern. That I'm going to discuss you right now. So now you know that what is the candlesticks pattern exactly. The first candle should be red. So let's start with the scanner, and we can create a scan. Instead of that, we can create a scan. So I'm going to take that in a futures. When a stock forms in a futures, so that I'm going to take it. Now what is the conditions? The first candle should be in red. So here let's do that. The close price of one day ago, right? it should be less than the open price of 1 day ago, right? So it is absolutely telling us the red candle by yesterday. And the next day open should be greater than the open of previous day candle. So the previous day candle opened uh, higher and ending with a lower. So that is what the red candle. Now the second day, the open candle. So the second day open, okay, is greater than or equal to 1 day ago open, right? Simple code. So that will tell us latest open is greater than equal to 1 day ago open. It simply filter out that kind of pattern where it is forms in the future. Let's try to check it out whether it is working. So almost some 10 stocks which forms today. Let's check one by one. HDFC Life Insurance, Vedanta, Hindustan Unilever. So lot of stock which forms this kind of continuation pattern. Okay, so let's check HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank, right? It's a but previous day candle is not in red. But how it became? Previous day open close is greater than, this is what the open, and it is higher. So we made a mistake here. 1 day ago open is greater than day ago close. You are doing the same. Let's try to do again. Same will happen. 1 day ago open is greater than the 1 day ago close, right? That should be a red candle, but here VEDL, let's wait for that. VEDL, let's check it out. VEDL, yes, you check that the VEDL, it looks good. By why HDFC Bank? Let's go to check with HDFC Bank. That forms like this, and HDFC Bank future, we'll check the future. We get yes, the future yesterday was in red, okay, but and today's open is greater than equal to the yesterday's open, but here it is less than. Let's check with the HDFC equity. So let's try to do that. And today's latest open is greater than 1 day ago open. That is right. Day ago open is greater than 1 day ago close. Latest open is greater than 1 day ago open price. Both are same. But Hindustan Unilever, let's check it. Hindustan Unilever, perfect. This is what a bullish continuation pattern. You able to see that the trend is, previous trend is clearly going up, and there is a candle, and the next day it is the previous open is 2745, and here 2748, almost equal, and little bit 3 rupees higher, and it started moving. This is the candlesticks pattern that confirms you there is a separating line kind of candles, right? So this is what the exact candlesticks pattern, and now we will do with some other. And the latest open, latest close is greater than, so today's close price is greater than open of today, latest open. So that will plot you the green candle. So now we filter out even some Wipro. Let's check it, Wipro. So Wipro, which forms kind of the candle, yes, it is a previous trend is up, and there is a candlesticks pattern where it is forms, and once it is broken that high, so we may be focused for a buying opportunity in Wipro. So there is a continuation on the trend in a upside. And some other way, just a second. Okay, the only confusion only HDFC Bank, and we'll check about VEDL. So that is looks great, and that is a bearish, and now it is from a bullish kind of candlesticks pattern. Okay, And the second one, Hindustan Unilever and MRF. Hindustan Unilever, so that is also forming a such a kind of great pattern. That is a continuation of the trend, that is a separating line. And then we will go for a Ramco and MRF and Wipro. Let's check it all the stocks whether the code is right. Ramco Cement is not good daily, and MRF, that is okay, open up a previous day high, and where you see that the continuation, the trend, so when the MRF it is broken, so we can try to take, but there is a high value stock. And Wipro, so that code is right, separating line, so there is a good one which forms at the highest level, and it may continuous trend, and there is another opportunity at this point, so it is continuous trend from 595 and it is moving higher than very big, the continuation of the trend. So here the trend is going up, the candlesticks pattern were forms at this point, these two candle, when again there is a continuation on the trend, same like that here it is forming. So we may expect once that is broken that level, so we may expect another continuation. So now this was working good, so we will save the scanners separating line. Separating line, that is we are going to take a bullish. Okay, so we'll save that. So let's go to back test. Is there any stocks which forms? So how a lot of stock which is forming that based on this candlesticks pattern, it is quite tough to trade. So let's take on 31st August Muthoot, Adani Port, Goforge. 31st August Muthoot Finance, 31st August, yes, that is the exact candlesticks pattern at this point. Muthoot Finance and Adani Port, Goforge. There is a continuation pattern at this point. Whenever it broken 5125, it moves towards 53. Okay, good. And Adani Ports, 31st August here, and today only it broken and ending with the same level. So let's see, and again another should be open, right? So we find lot more stock based on this candlesticks pattern, so we will filter out even more power. So the latest to open equals to latest low, you find. So where we find out such a more stocks, only few stocks, right? On 30th August we find only one stock's Coromandel. Now let's go for a Coromandel. This one looks good. When it broke that high 791, it moves towards 818, but there is no trend, it is a downtrend, and it is started here an uptrend. So but this is what the exact candlesticks pattern, even it was forming at the lowest level, we find a reversal. Okay, that is good, looking good. And Bharati Airtel on 5.8, Bharati Airtel on 5.8, this one I think, yes, when it broken that high of 619, within a 4 days it moved to 644, right? So that candlesticks is right, and we are working with good. And instead of making this, we find a lot more stock here, so we'll do with the filter of ADX is greater than only trending stocks. That is why ADX is greater than number 25, so that way give you only the trending stocks. Okay, so ADX may be 25. So let's find out now how many stocks we are going to get it out. And here lot more stocks. Let's see, let's go for on 1st of September, how many stocks? BHEL, Nestle, UPL, Havells, Bajaj Auto. Let's go for yesterday's stock, Bajaj Auto. We're getting more stocks, that is tough too. Bajaj Auto, we don't get it an opportunity because forms a doji like, but it is not exact doji. First That is good candlesticks pattern, but market is not reacting based on that because I is not broken. Havels, Havels may be good. Yes, perfect candlesticks that was forming, and it is keep going the trend continuation from 1355 to 1392. So that is okay. So ADX. So even we can increase the ADX value to avoid the number of stocks. 30. So we find out ADX above 30. Again, we got a lot more stocks here. Latex ADX number is 30. Oh, many stocks. Lay Havels, UPL, BHEL, PL. That was forms on yesterday and it is broken and it moves. Okay, that is what, right? And we will save this one, right? And if you get a many stocks, that is a tough. But now we find out only two stocks. One is Hindustan Unilever and another one is Wipro. So we already saved the scan. So we save the scan again. So this is what we are expecting, the separate line kind of candle that happen at the trending mode. So we may be trying to take the trend where it is going to be an uptrend if it does happen in an uptrend market. The same one which is forming an opposite to that, that is what a bearish separating line. So that we will see on our next video. Until, thanks for watching. If you are new to my YouTube channel, kindly make subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. Thank you.